Hello, welcome to Science Tutor. Let's consider basic arithmetic operations. Many times students have fallen foul on questions like this and they tend to misinterpret the information, more especially the use of the sign conventions, the plus, multiplication, addition, division, and all of that. So we want to consider some examples and then students can as well learn from it. The first one says a plus a. A plus a simply gives us 2a, means 2a. A is twice. A plus a is 2a. A times a is not 2a, rather it is a squared, that is a raised to power 2. So take note of the difference. B plus b plus b, we have b into 5 places, so that makes 5b in terms of addition. Why b times b times b times b times b? This gives us b raised to power 5. Why this is 5b, this is b raised to power 5. M plus m plus m, this gives us a 3n. While in this case, we have it as n cubed or m raised to power 3. 3x plus 5x gives us 8x, just like saying 3 naira plus 5 naira or $3 plus $5. So in terms of addition, we add to get 8x. While in this case, 3x times 5x, we simply do multiplication. So the numbers first, 3 times 5 gives us a 15. X times x gives us an x squared. So this is 15x squared, quite different from what we have in terms of addition. And then finally, 3 plus a will simply give us 3 plus a. Why? This is a number, this is a letter, so it is impossible to add a letter and a number, especially when they are having nothing common to both of them. Now, in this case, 3 times a will give us a 3a. Can spot the difference in each of them. Now, students have always mixed up all of this, and that is the essence of this video, for students to realize the use of addition, multiplication, division, and all of that, subtraction as well, in solving basic arithmetic operations. I'm sure we found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos for more persons to see. Have a good time.